Welcome to Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy, located in the heart of Thai culture and Thai cuisine. There is no better place to learn how to cook like a Thai than with us here in Bangkok. Our fully air-conditioned culinary training school emphasizes professionalism and authenticity. Professionalism. Instructors are well-trained English-speaking Thai chefs with years of culinary experience. All training classrooms and cooking stations have new granite counters, new fryers, and professional exhaust systems. Authenticity. All recipes are authentic and in English. All ingredients are fresh from the local market. We don't teach fusion. Study and learn with us. We offer all levels of training, from beginners and novices to entrepreneurs and chefs. We teach the ins and outs of Thai cooking. Whatever level you're at, we can take you to higher levels. We offer training from half day to over 8 weeks and over 200 plus professional authentic Thai dishes. Earn a diploma in Thai culinary arts from us. Learn all about Thai ingredients and visit local fresh markets. Learn about Thai cookware and utensils, woks, steamers. Learn authentic flavors and aromas of Thai cuisine. Learn professional presentation of Thai dishes. Training also available for Thai vegetarian and vegan cooking and basic to advanced fruit carving skills. Other services. Fun team building activities from 10 to 80 packs in our air-conditioned team building venue. Export of Thai food ingredients to restaurants and Asian markets worldwide. Chef placement services to Thai restaurants in need of a Thai chef. Restaurant consulting services for new startups and those in need of a temporary chef. For those serious about learning Thai cooking, contact Ron at bangkokthaicooking.academy.com. www.bangkokthaicooking.academy.com